This part of the tutorial is dedicated to the imaging of the lesion that we have to perform anytime that the patient comes into the clinic, because we want to record the situation and the dimension of the lesion. We thank Francesco for his patience and availability. We simulated a lesion on the first metatarsal head, and now we want to get a proper imaging of the lesion that we suppose have been debrided before. So the lesion should be completely inside the photograph, and we could have also the anatomic district of the lesion included in the photograph, because the surrounding skin and surrounding condition of the foot in this case have to be recorded. But we also can have a detailed imaging of the lesion together with the dimension that can be measured by putting beside the lesion a graduated centimeter in order to give an idea of what the dimension of the lesion could really be. Then another important aspect is that the lesion should be properly illuminated, because it must be detailed in the photograph adequately, and also that the real extension of the lesion should be taken in consideration, and for this purpose the lesion should be probed in order to check the depth and also the eventually underlying margin or tunneling or fistula.